Hello students, here's a quick video on how to play the Kids Bop version of I Got a Feeling by the Black Eyed Peas in C major. Now throughout this entire song we're going to be playing the same thing over and over, okay? The same pattern using the same three notes. So the notes we're going to use are G, F and E. Okay, and you can set your fingers up how I have here, okay? So third finger on G, 2 on F, and then 1 on E. So I'll play you the part first and then we'll talk about it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and. So let's talk about how we play that. What we're going to do first is we're going to play G 4 times. And we're going to play all of these notes as quarter notes, okay? Just single beats every time. So G 4 times. And then we're going to go to F and play that 2 times. And then we go to E and play that 2 times. Okay, so that's the first 2 bars. G 4 times. Then F 2 times, then E 2 times. Okay? Then after that, we're going to go to F and play that 8 times. And then we're going to go to E, play that 8 times, and then back to F 8 times. And remember, we want to carry on that quarter note pulse. So single beats when we're playing these notes, okay? So like I said, F 8 times, E 8 times, and then back to F. So the whole phrase will sound like this, and I'll shout out the notes as we go. So ready? 1, 2, 3, and G to F. Now E to F 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back to F. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And like I say, that pattern will play throughout the entire song, okay? The one thing to remember is making sure you're keeping that nice, steady beat, okay? We don't want to be speeding up, okay? We don't want longer gaps between some notes, okay? Nice, steady rhythm every time, okay? No gaps between each notes that are longer than the others, okay? Nice and steady, okay? Okay, you see, nice and steady all the way through. And then, as soon as you finish, we're straight back to that G, and we're going around again. Okay, so now I'm going to play just that phrase. I'm going to do it 4 times so you can practice along at home with me. Okay, so 4 times through that whole pattern, we'll do it nice and steady. So get those fingers in position, ready to go. E, F, and G with 1, 2, and 3. Here we go, 4 times through. 1, 2, 3, 4. To F, E, to F, to E, to F. Good. Back to G, go G. That's it, to F. To E, back to F. Okay, ready? 2 more times. 2, 3, and G. To F, to E, back to F. And now to E, and back to F. Last time through, ready? 2, 3, and G. To F, to E, back to F. And down to E. And back to F. And there we are.